Today, we'll show you how to successfully complete an application with background screening reports using Avail, so you can confidently share your information securely with landlords as you move forward in your search for a new home. First, navigate to the left sidebar of your tenant account and select Applications. You may have already submitted the free Renter's Profile portion of an application, and your landlord is now requesting paid background reports. Or you may have been requested to complete these simultaneously. All requests will appear under Applications, and you can select Finish Application. If you have not yet completed your renter's profile, enter your information into steps 1 through 5 of the application, which includes your basic information, residence, and work history. Once you reach step 6, you'll be asked to pay for the background report or reports requested. The most common is a $55 fee for credit report, criminal background report, and eviction history report. Enter your preferred credit or debit card information and select Pay Now. One benefit of completing the background checks through Avail is that you'll have full access to these reports and can share the application and background reports with any landlord at no extra cost to you. Background reports are valid for 30 days, so if you're not selected for the first rental you apply for, share your profile and reports with as many landlords as you want. Another benefit is that our credit and background checks that you authorize through Avail are considered tenant-initiated and therefore are a soft inquiry. This means when you authorize reports to be shared with a landlord through Avail, your credit score isn't adversely impacted. No more negative hits to your credit score. In the next section, you'll be asked to enter your Social Security number. Through our system, this information will be provided directly to TransUnion, who will generate the background reports. Your Social Security number will not be shared with Avail or any landlords you share your application with. We value your privacy and take these measures in addition to all your personal information being encrypted with 256-bit bank-level SSL encryption. Once you have entered your Social Security number, select Verify Identity to continue on to the identity verification questions. These are generated by TransUnion and are for security purposes. Your answers will be used solely to verify your identity for the background reports and are not shared or saved with your application. Select Submit Answers to do a review of your application and reports. Then, move to the final step, Step 7. Here, you'll check the box to verify and authorize your information. Then select Submit Application. Congratulations, you've successfully submitted your application and background screening reports. If you have any additional questions or experience any challenges along the way, you can reach the Avail customer support team by phone, email, or online chat. Details can be found below.